Hello friends, I am Jahangir Tadvi. Once again, I welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. Dear friends, from today onwards, we are starting to learn antibiotics means antimicrobial agents. Let's start. To antibiotic means antimicrobial agent. The definition of this antimicrobial agent is antibiotics are any substances which produce from the microorganisms which selectively inhibit or suppress the growth of other microorganisms or kill other microorganisms at very low concentration. It means these antibiotics are the chemical compounds or any substance which produced by microorganisms. That compound is inhibit the growth or prevent the growth of other microorganisms or kill other microorganisms at very low concentration. For example, this is the diagram of the microorganisms. There are the different kind of the microorganisms like the bacillus form, cocci form, vibrio form, bacteria. These microorganisms produce the antibiotics. Like this one is the antibiotics. Okay, and these antibiotics inhibit the growth of other microorganisms. These microorganisms growth is inhibited or this microorganism is killed by this antibiotic is called the antibiotics. Now there in the definition one thing is very important, very low concentration is required for the inhibition of any bacteria or for the killing the any bacteria or another microorganism. For example, in our stomach there is the hydrochloric acid means HCl which kill the microorganisms which goes inside our intestine through the food or through the drinking water or other drinks. That HCl destroy that microorganism, but we can't say the HCl is the antibiotic because in that case the higher amount or larger amount is required for inhibition or killing of that bacteria. Okay? Like that we use the salt for the preparation of the pickle, but that salt is also inhibit the growth or prevent the growth of the microorganism and prevent the spoilage of that pickle, but we can't say the salt is the antibiotic because the high amount is required for the killing of that bacteria. Antibiotic is that substance at very low concentration inhibit the growth of microorganisms or kill the microorganisms. Now next slide. Okay, now classification of antibiotics. My dear friends, there are the antibiotics means antimicrobial agents are classified in different kind of the ways. The through ways the antibiotic is classified. First one is the chemical structure. Based on the chemical structure, antibiotics are classified. Another ways of the classification of antibiotic is the mechanism of action, means through which mechanism antibiotics kill the bacteria or inhibit the growth of bacteria. Then after that, type of organisms against the which primary active. Okay, means antibiotic is active against the which kind of microorganism, that is the another class of the antibiotics. Like the bacteria may be effective against the bacteria, means bacteria, antibacterial, antifungal or antiviral. Now on the basis of the spectrum, antibiotics may be broad spectrum or narrow spectrum. Such kind of the is another classification of antibiotics. Now type of the actions, then natural source of antibiotics, means antibiotic is obtained from the which source, according to that the another classification of antibiotics. Dear friends, now we are learning classification of antibiotics based on the chemical structure. Okay, on the basis of the chemical structure, antibiotic is like the sulfonamides. Okay, sulfonamides means example is the sulfadiazine and other sulfonamides, as well as sulfones also include in the sulfonamide, means dapsones and para-aminosalicylic acid. Ideally dapsone is used for the treatment of the leprosy. Another classify or other type of antibiotics on the basis of chemical structure is diaminopyrimidines. in which the example of that diaminopyrimidines is trimethoprim and pyrimethamine, as well as quinolones and fluoroquinolone is another type of the antibiotics. The example of that nalidixic acid is the quinolones, and norfloxacin, ciprofloxacin, prulifloxacin, ofloxacin, leofloxacin is the example of fluoroquinolones. Means there is the one or more than one substitution of the fluorine group. Another type of antibiotics based on the chemical structure is beta-lactam antibiotics. These beta-lactam antibiotics consist of the beta-lactam nucleus, and there are the basic only the penicillin and cephalosporin comes under the beta-lactam antibiotics. And another addition in beta-lactam antibiotics is monobactam as well as carbapenem is the beta-lactam antibiotics. Then tetracyclines means the example is oxytetracycline and doxycycline. This is the classification of antibiotics on the basis of the chemical structure. The another antibiotics are based on the chemical structures are like the nitrobenzene derivatives. The example of nitrobenzene derivatives is chloramphenicol. Okay. After that, aminoglycosides example are streptomycin, gentamicin, amikacin and neomycin. After that, macrolides antibiotics are erythromycin, clarithromycin, azithromycins. Then lincosamide antibiotics like the lincomycin and clindamycin are the example of lincosamide antibiotics. After that, glycopeptide antibiotics, the example of that glycopeptide antibiotics is vancomycin and teicoplanin. After that, oxazolidine is the linezolid. Then polypeptide antibiotics are polymyxin B, colistin and colistracin, as well as there is the tyrotyricin is also the example of polypeptide antibiotics. Now dear friends, another type of the antibiotics based on the chemical structures are like the nitrofurantoin derivatives. In the nitrofurantoin derivatives, the example is nitrofurantoin and furazolidone, as well as nitroimidazoles. Nitroimidazoles are the example is metronidazole and tinidazole, which is ideally used for the treatment of the diarrhea. And nicotinic acid derivatives is the another type of the antibiotics like the isoniazid, the ideal or first line drug of the antitubercular drug pyrazinamide and ethionamide is the another example of nicotinic acid derivatives. Then Pauline antibiotics are nystatin, amphotericin B and hamicin. As well as dear friends, another type of the antibiotic is azole derivatives, which contain the miconazole, clotrimazole, ketoconazole and fluconazole. This is the one category which is used for the treatment of fungal infection. Another type is that the others antibiotics like the rifampin, which is the part of the antitubercular drug, okay, which include into the DOT system. Then spectinomycin, sodium fusidate, cycloserine, then viomycin, ethambutol, thiacetazone, then clofazimine and graciofulvin. This is the classification of antibiotics based on the chemical structure. Dear friends, after that we are studying the classification of antibiotics based on the mechanism of action. These both classification is very much important to learn the antibiotics. So dear friends, this is the another classification of antibiotics, but this one is based on the mechanism of action. Mechanism of action means through the way how antibiotics is inhibit the bacteria or how the antibiotics kill the bacteria. That is called the mechanism of action. The first one antibiotics are cell wall synthesis inhibitors. Means these antibiotics inhibit the cell wall synthesis of bacteria or any kind of the microorganism and kill that particular microorganisms or inhibit the growth of that particular microorganisms. The antibiotics which are inhibit the bacteria or kill the bacteria by the inhibition of the cell wall synthesis are like the penicillin, cephalosporin means beta-lactam antibiotics, as well as cycloserine, vancomycin and bacitracin. Dear friends, after that another class of the antibiotics are the cause leakage from cell membrane. Okay, these antibiotics cause the leakage from the cell membrane of the bacteria or other microorganisms and inhibit the growth or kill the bacteria. Like that example is the polypeptide and polines like the polymycins and colistin, as well as amphotericin B, nystatin and hemicin. These cause the leakage from the cell membrane of microorganism. Another type is inhibit protein synthesis inhibitors, means these are called the protein synthesis inhibitors. Example is tetracycline, this one is the broad spectrum antibiotics. Chloramphenicol is also the broad spectrum antibiotics which act through the inhibit protein synthesis, bacterial protein synthesis. Erythromycins, clindamycins and linezolid is also act through the protein synthesis inhibition. Dear friends, now another type of the antibiotics based on the mechanism of action is cause misreading of mRNA code and affect the permeability. So dear friends, mRNA code inhibition is take place by the antibiotics in bacteria and there will be the ultimately protein synthesis initiation will be ceased and bacterial growth is not possible. The example is aminoglycosides like the streptomycin and gentamicin, and another aminoglycosides act through the inhibition of protein synthesis initiation means by the misreading of mRNA codon. Then inhibit the DNA gyrase enzyme like the fluoroquinolones, okay, and quinolones. Example is ciprofloxacin, ofloxacin, leofloxacin that causes the misreading of DNA gyrase, inhibit the DNA gyrase means ultimately that inhibit the coiling and separation of the DNA strand and recoiling, okay, and ultimately the DNA synthesis is not take place. Another type is interfere with DNA function. This antibiotic is the rifampin, is example of antitubercular drug, and interfere with DNA synthesis. Some antibiotics inhibit the DNA synthesis in microorganism like the acyclovir zidovudine. Okay, these antibiotics are ideally known as the antiviral antibiotics. Then interfere with intermediary metabolism. Intermediary metabolism is interfere by the sulfonamides as well as sulfones, para-aminosalicylic acid, trimethoprim, pyrimethamine and metronidazole. So dear friends, these are the classification of antibiotics based on the chemical structure and based on the mechanism of action. Dear friends, today only we are starting the study of the antibiotics. There will be the whole classes of antibiotic will be covered. Then I would like to request you, please like, share and subscribe my channel as well as watch the all videos to learn the antibiotics. Thank you. Thank you dear friends. Please watch continue. Thank you.